Standing strong with our heroes, every day we rise, lifting up the brave ones, shining in their eyes, through the trials they faced, in the darkest.
I'm here with Mark this morning at Catterick. Mark, can you tell me a little bit about the group here?
Yes, I run the Veterans Information Hub. It's every Monday morning, it's a coffee morning, it's a drop-in, and it's all about information, guidance and supporting veterans in many areas. You don't know what you don't know, and there's so many veterans out there that do need support. But equally, to combat isolation and loneliness, we have a community minibus, we go on day trips, but those that may have suffered from the military with their hearing loss, then it's great to have you guys here to support those that need that kind of support.
Fantastic. And you've signed up today with us because you've had your hearing tested.
I have, yes. So I came along myself to have my hearing test, not expecting what the outcome was, but my hearing is dipped down as well, so we'll see where that goes.
Yeah, just give us a quick 20 seconds on your service in the military. What was it you did?
32 years in the military, left Infantry Sergeant Major, left as a WO2, 6.5 years in operations, Northern Ireland, Kosovo, Bosnia, Iraq, Afghanistan. Thoroughly enjoyed my time in the military, but I'm here today to support the veterans.
And one final question. I see from the paperwork you're the proud recipient of an MBE. Tell us a little bit about that.
I am indeed, yes. So I was very lucky and fortunate to meet our late Queen, to be presented with the Member of the British Empire Medal, and this year also equally honoured to win the award for the National Armed Forces and Emergency Services Most Outstanding British Army Veteran. So it's a great honour to get that, which has spurred me on to support our veterans community through our Reshape magazine and through the work we do in the garrison.
Brilliant.
In the darkest night, justice for heroes brings the light for the warriors bold, with stories to tell. We honor their courage.